I na say who we talk to ndabede.
Okay. Okay. Waiting again.
Now ijolo.
Ebe kineje. Okay, ijolo.
Ebe kineje.
Okay.
Ijolo. Where are you going?
Okay. So now, waiting as in for these things, una still no be Igbo.
We are Igbo. We are all together with Igbo. We are all together.
Oh soldier, what's up now?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Soldier.
This is me. I'm black and proud, not skin pen.
I mean,
yes.
So I beg, Papa, tell our viewers your name.
My name is Emmanuel Johnson Ogwezi.
I did not hear it. I mean, what you are going to tell us is your native name. Leave a baptismal and foreign.
Okay, my native name is Elemenya.
Elemenya?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Elemenya means that she don't look.
Okay, you go to look like okay, like
when you put crab, the time will stay and look. When you enter a hole, that's Elemenya.
Okay, Elemenya.
Yes.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Obricom via Omoku.
Obricom
via Omoku.
Okay.
Local government, Ndoni local council.
Okay, that is Oba Ndoni. Okay, so one way, which tribe are you?
Oba language.
Which tribe be Oba people?
That's Oba. The tribe.
So it doesn't sound like Igbo. How connected are you with Igbos?
Yes, it sounds like Igbo. They will connect with Igbo, but with just small mistake and make us to miss. But we hear them. They hear us.
It's not a mistake. Like tell us how I mean.
What they say Noah. What they say Noah.
Noah now welcome.
Welcome.
Okay, and the Igbo people they talk no.
Noah, yeah.
Okay, now they talk Noah.
Yeah. Igbo say Kolotede. I na say who we talk to ndabede.
Okay. Waiting again.
Now ijolo.
Ebe kineje. Okay, ijolo.
Ebe kineje.
Okay.
Ijolo. Where are you going?
Okay. So now, waiting as in for these things, una still no be Igbo.
We are Igbo. We are all together with Igbo. We are all together.
Okay, so waiting. Okay, the thing where they speak, when we take and say Igbo language, but with Oba dialect.
Yeah, we speak Oba and Igbo language. Only small thing, nine quarter.
Okay, you know, waiting. The kind controversy where they go around the country. See, the people from this side they no be Igbo, and I don't meet some people who say they no be Igbo, but then they bear name like Uche, Chukuma and stuff like that.
Okay. I would say those who say they are mistake, they did mistake. Uche, Chukuma, the same dialects. Who said that we're not different? It's only language. Uche, we're all one dialect. Nwa.
Okay, now they call Nwa.
Nwa bu nwa. Anakpo nwa. Okay. Nwoke. Okay. Nwa bu nwa. Yes.
Okay. Same. Okay, so Oba people are Igbo people. Oba people are Igbo people.
Speaking Igbo, all of us were one. It's only small mistake.
Okay. Now, una get the same 4 market days with the general Igbos.
Yes. We get to market day. We go there for market day. We go to the market day. We get to Eke market day.
So today na waiting.
I don't remember. Maybe let's say maybe today will be. Check it.
Today should be okay.
Today is okay. Okay. You're correct. Today is okay.
All right, Papa. Yeah, thank you. Maybe you don't watch us now, and you they like them, you they love them, you they appreciate them. I beg, we they beg. Just give us your share, like, and comment. If you donate stars, we will see they create more videos for your viewing pleasure. If you follow us for YouTube, at Namen TV and all social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thank you.